Welcome to Lake Tahoe, California. With its clean mountain air and crystal clear waters, it's easy to see why approximately 15 million people visit each year. Join us as we explore Lake Tahoe using William Kent Campground as our home base. This campground is located in Tahoe City, which is on the west side of the lake. It is dry camping with no hookups, but the campsites are paved and nestled amongst the trees with plenty of space. There are flush toilets and a dump station. The campground also has a beach right across the street. The camp host warned us of bears in the area, so stick around to see how many we saw. It's a beautiful day in Lake Tahoe, California. It's day 2 of our visit here at William Kent Campground, and we're going to go on a bike ride. We're going to take off from the west shore of Lake Tahoe and head north and then go along the Truckee River all the way down to Palisades. So it should be really beautiful. The Truckee River is really popular at this time of year. People raft down it all the time, and it's just beautiful. So we'll show you all the sights along the way. Here's the Truckee River. It's super popular for tubers. Well, not tubers, I guess rafters more. The bike trail goes right alongside of it, and we're going to head on down that way. So we made it to Palisades, Tahoe. It used to be Squaw Valley. So we're at about 9 miles into the bike ride. We're looking for a bathroom right now. But this is the village. It's a great place to stay and a great place to ski, but it's off season right now, so it has summer activities as well. We just love it here. We're gonna turn around in a little bit and head back to the campground. Returning to the campground, we got this surprise. Stick around to the end because this is not the only bear we saw. This bear does not care that we're standing so close. Someone left the door open to the dumpster and we were almost going to go right past it. He's someone left the top open, so he's smacking his lips thinking he's going to get a treat. And he probably is. Let's go back the other way. I don't think we need to go past him. Oh, no.
He's gonna, he knows he can't get in there.
Dumpster diving.
So he's gonna come down.
Oh.
No, did they leave the thing?
Open?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's going in. But it's a long way down.
Yeah.
he's smart. If he sees us,
He does. We stopped.
and we have
He's looking for something specific. Oh, that you're gonna make such a mess.
Ah,
it's like picking and choosing.
So one of the great things about this campground is its close proximity to so many fun things. You can just walk anywhere, walk across the street to the beach. There's a coffee place down there, pickleball down the street. But best is Sunnyside Lodge and Restaurant. We're headed there right now. It's right across the street, and it just happens to be my birthday. Thank you so much for all of you who reached out to me today to wish me happy birthday. Appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So anyway, we're gonna head down to Sunnyside, have a little happy hour, and look at the lake. We're getting some clouds. Hopefully it won't rain on us. You never know in the mountains. Ah, thanks, son. Oh my gosh. Cheers! Oh my gosh, that's good. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Really good. Good morning. We are day 3 here at Lake Tahoe, and we're gonna go on an adventure that I have wanted to do for a very long time. We are gonna hike out to Eagle Lakes. The Eagle Lake hike actually goes to Eagle Lakes and Maggie's Peak and Granite Lake. So the loop we're doing is about 7 miles. It's over 2,100 feet of climbing, and the trailhead is right across from Emerald Bay. Emerald Bay is one of the jewels of Lake Tahoe. So beautiful. I'll show some footage of that. But right now we're about to get on the trailhead, and the parking lot is full. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. Come early if you do this hike, because it definitely fills up soon. But we'll show you all the sights.
Then at 1 mile in, you're at Eagle Lake.
1 mile.
Okay? But the trail goes past it. So you could go into the lake, okay? And I'll give you my opinion right here. The lake is gorgeous if that's your destination and you want to put your feet in it and things like that. But if your destination is this, then you're going to see that lake all the way until about here. And it is steep coming down and steep going up.
So the beginning of this hike is all uphill, very steep. So starting with some switchbacks up through the rocks and the stairs. Woo! So we are here at the end of July, and so Eagle Falls is not much of a falls right now, but coming in the spring, wow, this would be spectacular. There's Eagle Lake. We chose not to take the little short trail out to the lake. The ranger said we would see beautiful views of it from up above. And there they are. Wow, it's so crazy. We're traversing the side of this mountain. It's steep. Good workout, but the views are incredible. So we're almost at 2 miles. It's been a constant uphill with stair steps, and feels like you're at the gym doing that stair revolving thing. Anyway, it's quite, the air is really thin here, so we're all huffing and puffing, but the views simply make up for it. It's just incredible, and we had a thunderstorm last night, so the ground is really damp, and it just smells so good here. So if you're able to do it, this is an amazing hike. 3.3 miles in, 1,500 feet of climbing, and the views have been incredible. It's also really green and lush and wildflowers and ferns, and the trees have all new growth. It's just really incredible. I hear that the spring is even better to come for the flowers and for the waterfall, but right now it's amazing, and we got lucky with the overcast because it can get hot out here. So we're a little bit more than halfway through the hike. We have about 1,700 feet of climbing, so we're reaching 2,100 feet of climbing. So we are still going up, but these views are incredible. There's even snow on those mountaintops. We must be getting to maybe 8,000 feet as a goal for this hike. It is no joke. The first 4 miles are probably all uphill, and that's where you get that 2,100 feet of climbing. So you definitely need to be aware of that and the altitude. So we're hiking in Desolation Wilderness, very popular with backpackers, but man, kudos to them because this is very steep terrain. Now we're going out to Maggie's Peak and we're walking along, and what do we see? Our most beautiful view right here. This is the first incredible view we've had of Lake Tahoe and Emerald Bay. There's even is that the Tahoe Queen coming in?
Yeah.
Nice. Even the sun came out to shine up the lake. Stunning. The views from here are incredible. There's the granite lake that we're going to pass in a little while, Emerald Bay, Lake Tahoe. Oh, well, it's definitely worth it to come to the top of Maggie's Peak because you get an incredible view. Oh, man. We've got only a couple of miles to go, but the last part of this hike goes with beautiful views of Lake Tahoe and Emerald Bay. It's all downhill. We're going to pass Granite Lake, and then we should be back at the Highway 89. And look at those incredible views.
While the others were out hiking, I did a great mountain bike ride up to Stanford Rock.
Well, I made it to the top of Stanford Peak, and it took me about an hour and a half and 9 miles and about 2,200 feet of climbing. But what a great view from up here. There's Lake Tahoe, and it's nice to know it's all downhill on the way back.
We really enjoyed our time in Lake Tahoe and can't wait to come back.